What's up, Kabeyonder? This is again your Kabeyonder, Cristo. In our episode today, pag-uusapan natin ang issue ng global warming. Dahil sa sumalalang climate change, hindi na nga maitatagi na nararamdaman natin ang global warming. Halina't ating pag-usapan.
Greenhouse gases. The main driver of climate change is the greenhouse effect. Some gases in the Earth's atmosphere act a bit like the glass in a greenhouse, trapping the sun's heat and stopping it from leaking back into space and causing global warming. Many of these greenhouse gases occur naturally, but human activity is increasing the concentrations of some of them in the atmosphere, in particular carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, nitrous oxide, fluorinated gases. CO2 produced by human activities is the largest contributor to global warming. By 2020, its concentration in the atmosphere had risen to 48% above its pre-industrial level, before 1750. Other greenhouse gases are emitted by human activity in smaller quantities. Methane is a more powerful greenhouse gas than CO2, but has a shorter atmospheric lifetime. Nitrous oxide, like CO2, is a long-lived greenhouse gas that accumulates in the atmosphere over decades to centuries.
Causes for rising emissions.
Burning or cutting trees, wildfires are part of the natural carbon cycle, and the carbon dioxide they release is soon absorbed by young trees. But if a forest is cut down, burned, and not allowed to regrow, all its carbon is turned into carbon dioxide that increases the greenhouse effect.
Factory farming intensifies climate change, releasing vast volumes of greenhouse gases. Toxic materials and gases are burned and released into the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide and methane. Because these gases are able to absorb radiation from the sun, they have a direct impact on the temperature of the planet.
Tunay ngang very alarming ang lumalalang global warming. Kung magpapatuloy ang ganitong sitwasyon, ano kaya ang mangyayari sa ating planeta at sa mga tao na naninirahan dito? Ating malalaman makalipas ang ilang paalala.
Daddy is the sweetest daddy in the world. He is my Superman. The smartest. The kindest. Daddy is the most handsome. Daddy wants me to do well at school. Daddy is just great, but he is blind. He cannot describe how I look like. Daddy cannot teach me how to write. But I love my dad.
I need somebody who can love me like my past. Though I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth.
Ano nga kaya ang mangyayari sa ating planeta at sa mga tao kung magpapatuloy ang global warming? Halina't sama-sama nating alamin.
Many animals will die due to lack of shelter and food.
Many icebergs get melted down.
Sea waters rises causing flash flood to different areas of the world. There will be more infectious and complicated disease that hits human which might eventually cause deaths.
Let us not allow the global warming to completely destroy our planet. We must rather preserve and cultivate the shelter that God gave us humans. Naway tayo napagpala sa ating natunghayan. Mga Kabeyonders, kung gusto mong patuloy na makapanood ng mga ganitong inspirational video, continue to like, share, and subscribe. Be safe, be good, and always remember, you are beyond compare.